Here's the thing is right now, it is just super quiet. It is so still and it is beautiful. And I know I'm about to get in the car and drive away and it will be very hard to get back to this spot. I wonder if you ever have that moment when you're traveling of just like knowing that it's about to be over and wanting to stay just a little longer. You're going to want to stick around for this whole video because it is a crazy adventure, from riding on a very wet and slippery Highway 101, which turned out to be a terrible idea, riding through puddles at Confusion Hill. We run into some tool elk on the way up to the Jedediah Smith Redwoods. We get lost up there, not so much lost as there's some dirt road and muddy adventures there as we try to beat a storm before we finally stumble upon the Grove of Titans hiking trail, which I'm saying is one of the top 1 hiking trails in California.
Why are we here?
Are you interviewing me or are you going to do something? I thought you were going to do it. You told me not to script you and then you didn't do an opening.
I'm doing it right now. You're in the middle of it.
Nice. We came up to do some longboarding in the redwood trees.
Except that it's raining right now.
Pouring rain today. So we're up here to tour the redwoods, look at all the fun spots, the gift shops, and the interesting out-of-the-way places.
We're going to be legit and leg it. So come along for the ride with us. Rain's going to stop. We're going to hit the pavement and it's going to be fun.
And right now we're checking out the grandfather tree, the world famous grandfather tree, which is right ahead of me.
The other neat thing about redwoods is just the way they feel. They're so soft, like the bark.
You just want to hug them.
You do. I have hugged one, full disclosure.
We're here at Ye Old Wishing Well, the Eternal Tree House, and the Red Crest RV Park gift shop or whatever. I got yelled at.
I got yelled at for him riding on 101.
Here's the thing.
To be clear.
I've seen a lot of videos of people riding bicycles, one wheels, all sorts of things on Highway 101 up here. So I figured like it looked clear. It was fine, but it's a little sketchier than I'd like it to be.
It's a little sketchy. It looked bold.
We're going to go get dinner right here across this, like literally right there.
Yes.
The Eel
River Brewery.
We're going to go get dinner over at the Eel River Brewery. All right, so here's the plan for today. We are going to drive north through Humboldt, through Trinidad, all the way towards Crescent City, California, which is almost to Oregon, where we will find Jedediah Smith State Park, and inside 2 infamous hiking trails, 5-star as far as Redwood hiking trail goes. These 2, we are looking at the Boy Scout tree and the Grove of Titans is what we're looking at hiking today.
And I hope I see some animals. I'm looking for some wildlife. I would like to see some tool elk, but I don't know if they're that high up in California.
Yeah. Did you see that one almost get hit by the car?
Oh my gosh, that was scary, but this is absolutely amazing. And they seem really tame, so clearly this is not the first time they've been visited by people. Every time we drive through here, I tell everybody to keep their eyes peeled, and I look around to try to find the elk, and we have never seen them like this before. And this was a pretty cool find. We're at the Trees of Mystery in Klamath, California, and we're gonna go check this out. We've got the blue ox and Paul Bunyan. What's the ox's name?
Babe.
Babe, the big blue ox.
But if you are driving up Highway 101, I mean, you should stop here no matter what, but especially if you need to use the restroom, because these are fantastic. They're clean, they're spacious. Yeah, and I always like to point that out. Well, we made it to the Boy Scout tree trail here in Jedediah Smith, Redwoods. And I gotta say, I was a little surprised that the road went from paved to dirt. I shouldn't have been, but I was surprised. I'm confessing that. It's about a 3.5 mile drive in on a dirt road, which is like very well traveled and fairly smooth. And I think it has like rocks in it, but I'm not sure now that I'm walking on it. It actually feels pretty muddy and slippery. It's supposed to start raining in like an hour, so we're going to try to get some hiking done, but we're feeling nervous about the rain that's coming in. This dirt road in here, driving next to the trees, grand experience, very fun. Made it to the Grove of the Titans parking area, which is probably the prettiest parking spot for a hiking trail that I've ever been to. It's surrounded by redwoods. It's got a decent bathroom, which you know I get excited about. observation too is, I don't know if you felt this way, probably not because you don't play as many video games as I do, but when we walked into the initial grove, like it felt like I was entering like a video game. Like
Nellie said, this looks like something I make in Minecraft.
Are you excited? Avenue of the Giants, longboarding.
It's pretty cool.
Oh,